Hey, what's up, gang? Let's take a look at the Redragon EISA K686 Pro SE keyboard. Let's get with the unboxing. Here it is out of the box. And on the back, you know, we got the anime theme here for EISA, and then we got a dragon as well. Full view. Going with the sound test. Here's what's included. Keycap switch puller, USB-C cable, additional switches, and then on the side you also have a nano receiver. So that's a quick look at the Redragon EISA K686 Pro SE keyboard. Thanks for watching.